What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be sorting out the state of my car. So last weekend I went off-roading a bit and the car is absolutely dirty. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Just look at this mud in here. This car is not supposed to look like this. Not supposed to look like this. So yeah, the car is absolutely dirty, and today we are going to my friend's car wash. The car wash is called Wash Vac. Once we get there, I'll let him explain exactly what they do. So we just got to the car wash and they have already started on the car. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys around what's happening here. Meneer, zeg vir ons, waarmee is jy nou besig?
Ek kan nou op die oomblik ek vat die clean green en dan spuit ek hier om.
Okay.
Dan kom aan die en dan spuit ek hom af.
Okay.
In die water.
En die hekken. These are the details. I will leave the details down in the description below, but this is just if you guys want to get in contact with them. They are mobile as well, so they do come to wherever you are, and by the looks of things they do a really good job.
Hi there, I'm Bianca Parents. I'm one of the co-founders of Wash Vac Car Wash. We started one Sunday evening on a group chat on WhatsApp with my brother Damien Parents and my boyfriend Shoaib Tariq. And we started this business because we are very passionate about vehicles and we just want to make a difference in this trying time with the COVID situation. So yeah, we are situated in the Helderberg area. We're currently a mobile service, so we go to the people's houses. It's now the second week that we've been at Billy's Grooming Studio, just promoting other local businesses in the area. And yeah, that's just who we are.
Beautiful car, guys. Beautiful Arteon. Okay, so there you have it, guys. They did a really good job, and I really am impressed with the outcome. So guys, please, I will leave all the details in the description below. If you do feel like it and you are in the area, that is now the Helderberg area, please pop by or let them know. They have a pick up and drop off service as well. So guys, please support. And yeah, I don't know if Shuaib wants to say something, but I'll hear from him now. So guys, this is the man himself. This is Shuaib. Please support. As I said 3 times already, I'll leave all the details down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.